Okay, we got a M923A1 250 small cam. AC system on it was just installed. A little compressor off eBay. Made lines down the frame rail. Frame rail to the condenser. Wired the plugs in. On this one here, you'll have M-wrap condenser. B and C go together. D goes to your sender wire off your AC system. A is hot all the time, and F is ground all the time. You jump wire the compressor to the hot side of the fan. So when the fans come on, the compressor comes on. The pressure switch controls it there then. So this is an M-wrap condenser, one of the MCC units. I paid $100 for it with 3 fans. Inside, we got MCC unit. Cover's still off the side. We got to route some drain lines. I know you can hear the unit. It's pretty loud. It's on high. At idle, about 58 to 55 degrees, somewhere in that range. It's on full blast. So down the road, road speed, I got about 50 degrees out of it. It is blowing in here. It's pretty cold in here in general. Got a temperature gun somewhere. Temperature gun in here. Dashboard at 90 degrees outside. Dashboard's reading 80. Windshield's reading 74. Up there, roof reading 68. Back's reading 80. 58. Passenger door reading 80. 80. Back wall's reading 71 through the insulation. 71. Floor's 94. So you know you have some problem with the heat down there, but 86. Driver's floorboard. So it's blowing pretty strong in it. 38,000 BTUs. So right now we're about 58 degrees idle. About 2,000 RPM, running up to that. That'll be good enough. Charged with about 3.75 pounds of Freon, and it is reading low, about 150 on the low side and about 30 on the high side, so I'm about probably a quarter pound, a little more than half a pound low. So, but it's you know, close these vents off real quick. Still hold about 1,800. So that's 50 degrees. It's cold as it'll get, but it's putting a lot of air out of this system in here. It's pretty cold.